everyone, and welcome to OlaJoe the Crocheting Sailor. Now is the time to pick the winner of the giveaway for the Furls hook. I have already put the URL in, and I have filtered the duplicate users. And the specific text to put in was Furls if you want it to be entered for the giveaway. The unique comments were 29. So let's go ahead and pick this winner. Good luck, everyone. The winner of the Furls crochet hook is Brenda, the newbie crocheter. Yay! Congratulations, Brenda. She said, I have never tried Furls. Good luck to all, and thank you, Andrea, for this giveaway. Well, Brenda, you get the opportunity to try the hook. So, send me an email with your address, and I will send your winnings to you. I hope to see everybody today at 4 p.m. on my live. Have a wonderful day.